Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. Today we're going to be styling this 5x5 straight lace closure wig. And this lace closure wig was sent to me from Asteria Hair. The unit that I have is a 22-inch and it's 180% in density. To prepare the wig, I definitely went ahead and I bleached the knots. I also did some plucking as well. With the 5x5 lace closure, it's so much easier to customize because you have such a small surface area to work with. I'm not gonna lie, I did end up over bleaching the knots, but I made some corrections using some mascara, but this is how it turned out. I also tinted the lace using this Stush lace tint. When I tell you this is going to be such a quick install, the 5x5 lace closures makes everything so much quicker, but it still gives you like a frontal effect because of the amount of hairline that it still covers. Just to get the hair out of the way, I am going to take my hot comb and just press it back, and I'm using the Stush Sleek Stick. I'm gonna cut off the lace. I usually glue the lace on before I cut the excess lace. This is the way I used to do it before until like I learned new tactics. It's always good to go back to the basics sometimes. You can already see how this is sitting really snug on my head. You can consider this a glueless lace because if I really wanted to, I can leave it like this and go. But I do want to give it some more security, so I'm going to use some lace glue. I'm going to use the Isha Lace Bond Glue. So I'm just going to wait for the glue to get translucent before I glue down the lace. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull the lace onto the glue. I'm going to take the Stush elastic band to, melt down the lace a little bit further. Meanwhile, the elastic band is on and it's melting the lace. I'm going to just take some time and focus on the top, making sure it's nice and flat and that the hair is nice and straight and sleek. The hair is pretty straight and sleek now. The hair is super soft and silky and it feels really full. I think this is a 180 density. But anyway, I'm going to take off this elastic band to see what my hairline is looking like. All right, so I do have some glue that I need to fix, but besides that, it's looking pretty melted. I'm gonna take the hot comb and I'm just gonna press out the part that got flattened by the headband. All right, so your girl's feeling really cute. The main thing that I love about this unit is that the 5x5 closure is so easy to customize. And as you guys saw in the beginning, when I first cut the lace off, I did not have to glue it down. So that's what makes it so beginner friendly. The reason I glued it down is because I want to be able to wear it for a few days. I don't want it to slide off, and also when I go to the gym, I want it to stay on, so when I'm sweating, I don't want the wig sliding back. So that's why I glued it. And I also find that when I use the glue, it gives it like a flatter, nicer melt. But you can definitely use some Got2b freeze spray or some olive oil grip gel to give it like a nice temporary hold. Let me know what you guys think about this unit in the comment section below. If you guys love it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. This is not my first time working with Asteria Hair. I love their units because they're reliable, they're easy to customize, and they're good quality. I'm going to leave all the details to this unit in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out if you're looking for an easily customizable wig. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye!